Welcome guys, welcome to the channel True Jamaican Vibes Fire Raid. So now guess who spot me there today? Today me there Black River. Yeah man, Black River St. Elizabeth, right on Crane Road. So I just buck up on a local spot here. Very nice area. Yeah man, so you can keep on watching. We're giving a tour. Very nice area man. So when you come at Jamaica and you come at Black River, you need to check out Lola's and the beach. Yeah man, they have them rooms and they have them bar and stuff over there. So them do nice steam fish here, so you need to check out them places when you come at Black River. You know, say enough people pass here, so I don't even know say this place is right here in Black River, St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, so just take a walk with me and enjoy the tour with your tour guide Fire Raid. Yeah man, see the place there? Give you the sign. So yeah man, so we're gonna check out the room and now I know say it's an AC room. Tell us the place was nice, clean and fresh. So remember, check out the place when you come at Black River. They're asking my people, just check out Lola's and the beach. Yeah man. So yeah man, the place is so nice and clean. Clean place, you know. Yeah man, so check out that spot I'm telling about. You see hospitality. Place nice man, nice people. AC room, bathroom clean. Yeah man, so the finish. No, so can go have a drink too. Right at the bar, view the beach side and everything. Tell us the place nice man.
One get me trust, Babylon them God one get me boss. If I want thing, we learn from the Bible. You can't even trust your disciple. When I done them turn to